Hi, I'm Nodilo here with your Pathlight Insight. What I'd like to address today is a common question we're hearing from many people, which is, with markets so high and risks still prevalent, how are we investing? That's a great question, and we certainly understand the concern. The reality is, our job as active managers is to go out and find value. And not all stock markets are created equal. In fact, if you look at the US market as measured by the S&P this year versus other parts of the world, there is a great discrepancy. The S&P 500 through July 26 is up approximately 18%. Now compared that to developed Europe is up only 9%, and emerging markets are down 4.5%. That discrepancy can often lead to valuation gaps. And so it's our job to sift through some of those areas that may be on the surface not as attractive as the US and try to find quality investments trading at lower prices. Now, all emerging markets aren't created equal as well, so there are certain characteristics we have to recognize to balance the risk there. For example, if you would have invested in Pakistan so far this year, you'd be up 37%, but we didn't have the prescient call on Pakistan that some other people may have had. But moving on, this is not just a 2013 phenomenon. In going back 5 years, the S&P has more than doubled, whereby Europe has only increased on average by a little bit more than 1% a year, and emerging markets are negative on an annual basis over 5 years. So this leads us to believe that while the world has gotten better from an economic standpoint, companies have improved as well, there are certain areas of investing that have not participated. And for our clients, they will have noticed that our last 3 purchases have been in companies that are not domiciled in the US. They've been Telefonica Brazil, they've been Teva Pharmaceuticals based in Israel, and they've been Total, the French energy giant. Now this is not by design that we're going out and looking in particular countries. It's a function of seeking out value, which in our opinion, the goal of investing is to buy low and sell high. So the buy low component really has us looking out there, and the value we see right now is outside the US. Thank you.